Are you thinking of starting a blog? Or maybe you already have a blog, but you're not really sure how it kind of fits in to the whole picture. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that blogging in your business can actually multiply your profits. So stick around. All right, Mark Harbert here, and if this is the first time that you're on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as I put out videos on a regular basis, and I want to make sure that you get access to them. Now, blogging. Boy, I'll tell you what, blogging has been around for a long time. I've been blogging since 2008, and I'll tell you, it has been one of the staples in my business. So maybe you're wondering, should I start a blog? Or I've got one, I'm not really sure how it works. I'm not really sure how to make it fit into my overall plan. Well, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use a blog to increase your profits. So let's go ahead and dive in to number 1. All right, the first and foremost thing that you can use a blog for is lead generation. Now, building an email list is a massive, massive thing. I talk about it all the time. I'm a huge believer in it. The number 1 asset in my business is my email list. And using a blog is a great way to build your email list. Because what happens with a blog when you create content, it is a great place that you can put your content and drive those people into an email list. And content is great because it can actually pre-sell a product. It can actually pre-sell whatever it is that you're promoting. And when people come onto an email list because of a blog post or something that or a piece of content that you put on your blog, it actually really pre-qualifies and gives you a very high quality lead. This is part of the reason that on my email list, I get a very, very good engaged email list because I'm always driving them back to my blog, showing people content, giving people value. And what happens is when they opt in, they are getting quality stuff that I've put time and effort in to creating to help them in their business, or you can use it for whatever niche it may be. Blogging it's been out there. It's been out there since really kind of the start of the internet, and people use it all the time to create quality content and drive traffic to their offers and to their email list. So lead generation is by far the number 1 way that you can use a blog to increase your profits. So let's go ahead and dive into number 2. All right, number 2 is very, very important. Branding. Branding yourself. In other words, what happens is when you set up a blog and you do it in the right way, it can be a place where people come to say, you know what, I want to know more about him or her. I want to know more about who they are before I decide to purchase something. So having a blog or your personal base online is a great way for people to get to know, like, and trust you. Branding is very important, especially nowadays. Now, I'm not talking about corporate branding, okay? I'm talking about just giving people an opportunity to get to know you, okay? That is the simplistic way of branding. Now, the word branding can throw people off and make them think, well, I got to do something super fancy and I've got to, make this look, crazy good. And look, it's great to have a blog that looks really nice, but I know people in our, online world that made $1 million on a blog that looked really, really bad, okay? And actually, this person is very, very popular today. Ray Higdon. But I'll tell you, having a blog where people can get to know you a little bit, kind of showcase yourself and get to know you is a very, very big part to being successful online. So personal branding yourself is one of the major ways that a blog can increase your profits. So if you're out there, you want to blog for your business, I highly recommend that you have a blog for the personal branding aspect of it. It makes a huge difference when people are ready to buy or join your opportunity or whatever it may be. All right, so let's dive into number 3. Number 3 is really one of the main reasons that I have a blog. Now, when you start creating content, and if you're not creating content for your business, you are severely missing the boat. That's part of what online marketing is. It's one of the core fundamentals of online marketing, but it is a central hub for your business. Just like every major company out there has a headquarters, okay? I'm thinking of Apple off the top of my head, and Cupertino, California is their main headquarters, okay? For you, for your business, your blog is like your headquarters online. Okay? We may create YouTube videos, Facebook posts. Maybe you're out there, you're on TikTok or Instagram or whatever. You can use your blog to pull everything together into one central place. There are really cool things that you can do with a blog to bring all of those profiles and content all together in one single place. And it's really kind of a curator that allows you to keep everything in one nice, neat package. And that is one of the benefits of having a blog. So for me, it's been an integral part of my business since 2008 when I actually started my blog. And I continue this day. Okay. I continue this day creating content, putting it on my blog, using it as a way to brand myself and to generate leads. And I make money every single day from my blog. It is integral and it should be for you. So if you got some value from this, if it kind of opened your eyes a little bit, do me a favor and comment below on this video and let me know. If you're on my blog, comment on my blog and let me know. Blogging is an integral part to an online business. And some people shy away from it because it can get a little technical. But if you know what you're doing, it's well worth the investment of your time and effort to get out there and actually put a blog out there and utilize it to bring your content together.